Okay guys, in this tutorial I will explain about how much data Google Maps use. But before I start, make sure give like my video, share and leave the comment on my video. After that you subscribe on my channel, okay? Open your Google Maps. After that, click on the right corner and then you select offline maps. So that is you can check how much data usage on Google Maps. Besides that, you can download this area for free, okay, to start offline Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.